In robotics, every movement counts. But the software behind those movements, it's often complex. So we built RoboDK CAM, a faster, more intuitive way to turn ideas into real robot motion, transforming complex machining into a smooth, efficient workflow. RoboDK CAM takes your 3D model and converts it into a robot-ready program without the headaches. Just 3 simple steps. Define your tool, choose your strategy, set your parameters, instantly preview and verify the result. Then generate your robot program with precise material removal simulation. See the outcome before you ever run the real robot. Perfect for previews, customer demos, and fast approvals. Why RoboDK CAM? Because it's simple, cost-effective, and compatible with over 1,400 plus robots. From small workshops to large factories, RoboDK CAM is already powering real production around the world. Proven, reliable, battle-tested. Discover RoboDK CAM. Take robot machining to the next level.